is on the Prime Minister's South sojourn. Before we focus on Andhra Pradesh, let's talk about his visit to Tamil Nadu because that's significant. It's coming months ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections. He was there for a farmer summit addressing farmers in the state of Tamil Nadu. He was in Coimbatore, referred to as the Manchester of India. But there's been a whole lot of politics as expected. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin skipped that protocol of receiving the Prime Minister, instead sent one of his deputies, his minister, to receive Prime Minister Modi. And then you had a very interesting comment from Prime Minister during his address when he said that a Bihar-like wave could be felt in Tamil Nadu. Let's run you through all the developments on the story first.
Just months ahead of the Tamil Nadu elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visits Coimbatore. But even before the trip began, politics took center stage. Chief Minister M.K. Stalin was not at the airport to receive the Prime Minister. He instead sent a state minister. Prime Minister Modi was welcomed by Minister MP Saminathan, AIADMK General Secretary Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, Rajya Sabha MP G.K. Vasan and State BJP leader Annamalai. The Prime Minister attended the South India Natural Farming Summit, where he released the latest Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme installment to 2,000 rupees each to 9 crore farmers across the country. Speaking at the event, he claimed the Bihar wave could reach the Dravidian state.
जब मैं यहाँ मंच में आया तो मैं देख रहा था काफी किसान भाई बहन वो अपना गमछा घुमा रहे थे, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि बिहार की हवा मेरे आने से पहले पहुंच गई है.
Ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, Chief Minister Stalin had written to Modi demanding an increase in paddy procurement from Tamil Nadu. Meanwhile, a DMK leader compared the Prime Minister to a demon and claimed that Tamil Nadu would be better without him. Prime Minister Modi's outreach to Tamil Nadu is significant as it comes ahead of the next year's assembly elections. The BJP has tied up with the AIDMK to take DMK in the state. With Pramod Madhav, Bureau Report, India Today.